Welcome back to instantbookread.com, where we bring you the best book summaries and reviews. Today, we're reviewing the top 10 best books on sales and marketing. This curated list of the 10 best books on sales and marketing will equip you with the knowledge, strategies, and insights needed to excel in your field. Dive into these books to transform your approach and drive your success to new heights. Let's get started. The 10 best books on sales and marketing. Number 1. Influence, The Psychology of Persuasion by Robert B. Cialdini. This seminal work delves into the psychology behind why people say yes and how to apply these understandings ethically in sales and marketing. Cialdini outlines 6 key principles of influence: reciprocity, commitment and consistency, social proof, authority, liking, and scarcity. Understanding human psychology is crucial for effective sales and marketing. Cialdini's principles provide a foundation for crafting persuasive messages that resonate with your audience. Number 2. The Challenger Sale, Taking Control of the Customer Conversation by Matthew Dixon and Brent Adamson. Based on a comprehensive study of thousands of sales reps, this book argues that the best salespeople challenge their customers' thinking and provide new insights rather than simply building relationships. This book shifts the traditional sales paradigm and offers a fresh approach to customer engagement, emphasizing the importance of insight and value creation. Number 3. Made to Stick, Why Some Ideas Survive and Others Die by Chip Heath and Dan Heath. The Heath brothers explore what makes ideas memorable and how to make your messages stick. They introduce the success model: simple, unexpected, concrete, credible, emotional, and stories. For marketers, crafting messages that stick is crucial. This book provides actionable strategies to ensure your ideas are impactful and memorable. Number 4. Spin Selling by Neil Rackham. Based on extensive research, Rackham introduces the SPIN, situation, problem, implication, need, payoff technique, a method for handling complex sales. This book offers a structured approach to selling that is backed by data, making it a valuable resource for anyone involved in high-stakes sales. Number 5. Building a Story Brand, Clarify Your Message So Customers Will Listen by Donald Miller. Miller provides a framework for crafting compelling brand stories that engage customers and drive action. The book emphasizes the importance of positioning the customer as the hero of your story. In a noisy marketplace, a clear and compelling brand story can set you apart. This book offers a practical guide to storytelling and marketing. Number 6. Jab, 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 Right Hook, How to Tell Your Story in a Noisy Social World by Gary Vaynerchuk. Vaynerchuk shares insights on how to create effective social media content. He advocates for providing value jabs before asking for something in return, right hook. With the rise of social media, understanding how to engage audiences online is crucial. This book provides actionable tips for leveraging social platforms. Number 7. Blue Ocean Strategy, How to Create Uncontested Market Space and Make the Competition Irrelevant by W. Chan Kim and Renee Moborn. Kim and Moborn present a strategy for creating new market spaces, blue oceans, rather than competing in saturated markets, red oceans. This book offers a strategic approach to innovation and market creation, essential for businesses looking to differentiate themselves. Number 8. To Sell is Human, The Surprising Truth About Moving Others by Daniel H. Pink. Pink explores the art and science of selling, arguing that everyone is in sales, regardless of their job title. He outlines new ways to understand and engage with customers. By redefining sales and providing practical techniques, this book helps readers navigate the modern sales landscape. Number 9. Contagious, How to Build Word of Mouth in the Digital Age by Jonah Berger. Berger explores why certain products and ideas become popular. He identifies 6 principles of contagiousness: social currency, triggers, emotion, public, practical value, and stories. Understanding what drives word-of-mouth marketing can help you create campaigns that naturally spread and resonate with audiences. Number 10. Crushing It, How Great Entrepreneurs Build Their Business and Influence, and How You Can Too, by Gary Vaynerchuk. Vaynerchuk shares the stories of entrepreneurs who have followed the principles from his previous book, Crush It, to build successful personal brands and businesses. This book provides inspiration and practical advice for leveraging personal branding to achieve business success. Conclusion. These 10 books offer a wealth of knowledge and practical advice for anyone looking to excel in sales and marketing. From understanding human psychology and crafting compelling messages to leveraging social media and creating new market spaces, these resources cover the critical aspects of the field. By incorporating the insights and strategies from these books into your professional toolkit, you'll be well equipped to navigate the complexities of sales and marketing and drive sustained success in your endeavors.